The brand new Revell 2022 Corvette Stingray Z51 Coupe. 142 parts. The box weighs over 1 pound. Let's see what's inside. Clear front windshield, side windows, rear window and center window between the engine compartment and the back, rear deck, body, tires, large bundle of plastic sprues, which we'll go through in a second. And look at this. I don't think I've ever had a color instruction book. Decal sheet. Can you see the multiple dashboard decals depending on your choice of configuration? If you're familiar with the new generation Corvette, the digital dashboard completely changes depending on what mode you're in. Let's go through quickly and see if we get something special inside this very heavy-duty instruction pack. List of all the parts. This car of 142 parts was supposed to be able to be built left-hand drive or right-hand drive, which I thought was pretty exciting. And there's the right-hand drive instructions, and there's the left-hand drive instructions. So now people internationally can make a true version for their locale. It's also supposed to have choice of 2 different seats. I'm not sure I see that here. Let's take a look at the extra sprues just to see how much we're up against here. What I was excited about was the added engine detail that isn't in any of the die-cast models. So this is our first true chance to build an authentic model. And okay, rear grills, looks like intake, windshield wipers, 2 different sets, I guess left or right drive. Now, yep, 2 different dashboards. There they are, left-hand, right-hand drive dashboards. 2 different center consoles, depending on left or right-hand drive. Nice fender wells and a decent chassis representation. I can tell you that from the real car, that's a very accurate representation. The bottom of the car is smooth. There is no frame exposed. 1 set of standard open spoke wheels that they've been using since 2020. So this is appropriate for 2020, 2021, 2022. And nice full engine block with transaxle. So now we can really build this with detail. And there appear to be only 1 set of seats. That's all. Thanks. Please comment with any questions. I'd love to answer them. I'll be very excited to build this, and later there'll be another video on building. Let's do a little close-up on all the sprues so you can see them before we go. Very pleased with the packaging they did on this. At 142 pieces, it's a nice job. I'm going to take you in again on this, because I want you to see this. See those dashboards? So now you can pick which mode you're driving in. I've also got a way to make license plates this size. I'll share that with you later. Thanks, everybody. Bye.